Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about backyard living. I am going to share some tips on how to make your backyard the perfect place to relax, entertain and enjoy the outdoors. What is backyard living? Backyard living is all about enjoying the education outdoors in your own backyard. It can be anything from simply sitting on your patio and enjoying a cup of coffee to have a cookout with friends and family. The possibilities are endless. Why is backyard living important? There are many reasons why backyard living is important. For one, it's a great way to get some fresh air and exercise. Spending time in nature has been shown to have many benefits for both physical and mental health. Backyard living is also a great way to connect with families and friends. There's nothing like gathering around a fire pit or grill to enjoy some food for good food and company. And finally, backyard living is a simple, a lot of fun. It's a great way to relax and de-stress after a long day. How to make your backyard the perfect place to live? So here you make your bedroom backyard the perfect place to live. Here are a few tips. Start with a plan. Before you start making changes, take some time to think about what you want your backyard to be used for. Do you want it to be place of to do you want to be placed to relax and unwind, or do you want it to be placed to entertain guests? Once you know what you want, you can start planning the layout and design of your backyard. Choose the right furniture. The furniture you choose will make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your backyard. If you want a relaxing space, choose comfortable, inviting furniture. If you want a more lively space, choose furniture that is stylish and eye-catching. Add some greenery. Plants and trees can add a touch of beauty and elegance to any backyard. They can also help to create a more private and scheduled look. Include some water features. A water feature can add a touch of serenity and tranquility to your backyard. It can also help to cool the air on hot days. Get creative with lighting. Lighting can be used to create a variety of modes in your backyard. For example, you can use soft lighting to create a relaxing atmosphere, or you can use bright lighting to create a more lively atmosphere. Don't forget the details. The little things can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your backyard. Add some personal touches such as flowers, sculptures, or wind chimes to make your backyard truly your own. In conclusion, backyard living is a great way to enjoy the outdoors and connect with family and friends. By following these tips, you can make your backyard the perfect place to live. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great content.